This is also a PSD file that has been created. We want to create a GIF, which is graphics interchange format. Graphics interchange format, which is GIF, GIF. So what we have to do is we have to go to window. We can see after clicking on the window, we have to locate the timeline and select it. So after selecting the timeline, this is what you will see. Now what we do next is that we can just click on this. So we click on create a frame animation. We just click on create frame animation. Now this whole thing has been created as one image. Now we also need another images that can also interchange with this one. So we can deselect this one and deselect this one. Then we go to create. Then after we go to duplicate selected frame, we can check the time. We can also, now you can see that if it's supposed to play, you will not see any difference. So now we can now reselect this ones. Then we go to duplicate the selected frame. Now we can see some difference here. Let's press on the play. Let's click on the play and you see the difference. If you want it to be only 2, you can just deselect or delete the first one. Let's check the time. The time should be 2 seconds instead. That is my preference anyway. 2 seconds instead. Let's play it and see. Okay, so this is how I want it to be. Now I stop it. I go to file. I go to export. I go to save for web legacy. I can click on it. Then now this will be the pop-up menu for you. If this place is not on GIF, it will not work for you. So you have to make sure it's on the first one, the GIF, the GIF, so that it will be able to work for you. If it's on the JPEG or PNG, it will not work for you. So make sure yours is on GIF. Then you click on save. After you click on save, it will direct you to save it at a particular place. For example, I save it on my desktop. Then the format is image only. Then we have the default settings, so I go to save. I'll wait for it to be saved. Now I can go to my desktop. Now I have my file here. I can just double click to open. So this is my final work.